arm up, arm down, closing bucket and opening, floating option, and third. In this moment, I think I finished hydraulic, and this is how it looks like. Oil tank, oil is going to the filter, then to the pump, and high pressure is going under the frame to hydraulic distributor, 3-section. It's coming in here, current pressure, and this is how it works. It's going to be arm up, arm down, closing bucket and opening, floating option, and third section for future equipment, maybe different bucket or maybe hydraulic splitter or something else, whatever I want actually. This is going to be replacement because the hoses are too short, and I order a longer one. This is going to be somewhere in here. Oil is going back with this hose, once again under the frame, and it's coming here. And inside I have two hoses. They are connected right here, and I have to also replace them because they are a bit long, and I'm already waiting for the proper one. It's time to turn it on.